You are going to love the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable. All traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, convertible soft top, tires, front all-terrain, fog lamps, tires, rear all-terrain, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.